Advanced Clinicals, Collagen Plus Hyaluronic Peel Off, Gentle Peel Off Face Mask, 3.4 fluid ounces, 101 milliliters. Product Overview Description. With firming Cica extract, instant hydration and firming results after just one use. Balancing formula shrinks the appearance of large pores, increase hydration 88% instantly with Aquaspheres. Benefits. Draw out the dirt, oil and makeup that makes skin look rough. Get soft, firm looking skin with pure collagen. Increase hydration 88% instantly with Aquaspheres. Purifying formula is infused with Cica, rose and vitamin E. Targets. Uneven tone, rough skin problem, skin T-zone, congested pores. Attributes. What are you waiting for? Firm, healthy skin is just minutes away. Draw out the oil and dry skin deposits that dull your complexion and make you look older. Enlaced with anti-aging collagen, elastin and hyaluronic acid to transform aging skin. Get supple, firm-looking skin with results after the first use. Paraben-free, mineral oil-free, fragrance-free. Suggested use. Start with a clean, dry face. Apply mask in an even layer, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area and any hair. Wait 20 minutes or until the mask is completely dry. Your mask will have a tight feeling, and be dry to the touch when it is ready to remove. Slowly and gently peel mask off. Rinse away any excess product with lukewarm water. Pat dry and follow with your favorite moisturizer. Other ingredients. Water, aqua, SD alcohol 40B, polyvinyl alcohol, bioresmolus, apple, fruit extract, glycerin, ethyl olivate, avena sativa, oat, bran extract, titanium dioxide, squalene, citrus aurantium dulcis, orange, peel extract, soluble collagen, sodium hyaluronate, tocopherol acetate, rosa damascena flower extract, centella asiatica extract, panax ginseng root extract, hydrolyzed elastin, honey extract, disodium EDTA, xanthan gum, sodium benzoate, phenoxyethanol, caprolaglycol, ethylxylglycerin, hexylene glycol, mica, iron oxides. Warnings. Important information. If mask is applied too thick, it will not dry. If discomfort or redness occurs while you are peeling off the mask and it is intolerable, discontinue the peeling removal process. Wet the entire mask with warm water and wipe away using a washcloth. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.